UFO Reporting App. So here is the app for that called Enigma. So here you have it. What's that in the sky? Pretty cool app. So you can just open it up and you can see different features. Pretty cool. And to report, just tap a photo, literally. Experimental feature, report issues. You can see all the angles, some additional data, elevation, kind of like coordinate. And then you can just submit recording like that. So for example, that's basically the idea. And then you can see all the different recordings in here. So that's just basically what you're having. So yeah, that's what it is. That's the app. Try it out.